Says they think if I do killer installs, word will spread. And it does slowly, but the pros we work with, they get found first, and then the installs speak for themselves. At the end of the day, you can't scale if you're guessing where your next job is going to come from. Predictable revenue is the name of the game, and it starts with being seen first and trusted before the phone even rings. The top 1% of Glaziers, they're not better at installs. They're just better at being found. They show up first. They look like experts, and leads come to them already sold. And their reputation does the closing before price even comes up. Most glass companies we talk to, they're amazing at glass work, but online, they're invisible. If your Google business profile is outdated, you're missing reviews, or it's just flat, it's costing you. So I'm sure most of you are familiar with the Google Maps platform. This is where over 80% of the actual clicks and lead conversions come from. So where you show up on Google, it matters. Of people, they pick from the top 3 and they don't scroll any further. So if you're not in the map pack, you're basically just not in the game. We help you show up exactly where the money is. If you're still hoping that referrals are going to call you back, or you're playing the slow game, we turn your Google listing into a lead machine that runs 24/7. Before Glass Mama, you're buried in the search results, you're word of mouth only, there's no reviews or bad reviews. After Glass Mama, ranking in the top 3, you have consistent inbound leads, and you have a steady flow of 5-star reviews coming in. This isn't a long sales pitch. You can start getting found and trusted without running ads for just $97. This is how you start owning your local market and not just hoping for the scraps that are going to come in. It's not just about the tools, it's about control. Ranking higher equals more jobs without spending on ads. Trust closes deals before you talk to a customer. And knowing what works, that's how you scale without guessing. You don't need to be techie. We set it all up, we run it, we focus on glass, that's it, and we make sure that you're getting found and booked. Real humans, real support. Let's get into it. So this is for Glaziers who want to go all in and win. We're talking full GBP optimization to dominate your local rankings. So daily review replies, so trust builds automatically, and then 20 posts a month to keep your name fresh and at the top. Plus, we show you where you're winning with 20 heat maps. In trust building drip campaigns, we'll do niche citations, and think like the BBB, the yellow pages. Those are directories. Those help build authority with your Google Maps listing and with Google in general. And this is hands down the fastest way to get found without having to, pay for ads. This is our GBP starter plan. It's $297 a month. This plan, it's a no-brainer. We'll lock down your Google business profile. We'll send you star review requests after you have finished a job. And then we'll post content every week that drives more clicks and calls. And then you can also get visibility tracking with 10 heat maps. And then we do email support, and we have a webinar every month. I highly suggest that you attend. We'll be giving away tips, tricks, strategies, things that you can implement yourself right away. The final one, this is our visibility boost. It's $97 one time. If you're not ready to commit monthly, you can start with a one-time audit and a roadmap. So you'll get a glass-specific checklist. You'll get visibility tips and that you can actually use right now. And this is the easiest way to get unstuck and stop guessing. It's very user-friendly, even if you are not a tech guru. So it's something that even your grandmother could do. Here is a side-by-side breakdown. So whether you're just getting started or, you get serious about local visibility and you're ready to become the go-to glass company in your area, we've got options. $97 to get clear, $297 to build some momentum, or $997 if you want to scale fast and have us do everything for you. You don't have to take our word for it. Just scroll through the results. We've helped Glaziers go from invisible to the top of Google, and the feedback, it speaks for itself. The work's already proven. The question is, are you ready to be next? We're proud partners with the National Glass Association, and we've been helping Glaziers since 2018. This isn't some try it and see thing. We've built real systems that scale. So if you're in this industry for the long haul and you want a partner who's already embedded in it, go ahead and give us a call, or you can just click on the link